wanted. Never looked up, never was enough. Wishing I could be something.
Duster to!
The best is yet to come. Are you ready?
This is it! Finally!
or not? The best is yet to come.
Siya ba tatawan?
My precious!
Nasaan yung GC?
Kailang 1,000. Pangarap ko to.
We can get this started. Wake up now. Wake up. We can get this started. We can get this started. There's only one place to go. The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come. Are you ready or not? Ready or not? Are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Thank you Lord for this day kasi umaraw. Pinagpe-pray ko na sana hindi umulan sa wedding ko. And salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong wedding. Thank you guys sa pag-accept na maging abay. Tsaka thank you sa pagising ng maaga, yung iba puyat pa. At saka nag-travel pa from Manila. Thank you!
Such a time as this.
Love, finally here we are in front of God, our family, friends, and loved ones. Bago tayo ikasal, maraming beses na sinubok tayo ng kung ano-anong problema. Pero gaya nga ng sabi ng kanta, pipiliin ka araw-araw.
Faith that led us through the storm. Learn to trust what lay before. Knew that we were made for something more. I want it all. The good and bad and all that's in between. As long as you
Sa loob ng 6 years and going to 7 years natin pagsasama, maraming saya, hirap at pagsubok sa ating dumaan. Salamat dahil hindi tayo nagpatalo sa mga pagsubok na yon at ngayon meron na tayong bagong pagdadaanan ulit pero bilang maging mag-asawa na.
Felt a current running deep, trusting waters that could take us to places yet unknown.
Ay, naiiyak na ako! Ay, ang ganda ka ba, Salis?
Simula pa lang nung una kitang makita, sa'yo nun, talagang nahulog na agad ako sa'yo. At nasabi ko sa sarili ko na ikaw na. Ikaw na talaga ang babaeng makakasama ko habang buhay.
As long as you're standing here with me, that's all I need.
Pipiliin ka kahit masakit, kahit mahirap, ikaw pa rin. Ikaw lang. Because true love never surrenders, it always finds a way to understand the pain.
Nagulat ako!
Ano yan?
This watch marks the beginning of our forever. Thank you sa gift. I love you.
Hi love, may isang kababayan na naman tayong nakaahon sa kahirapan. Charot. Hope you like my gift. I love you and
funny how love hits you when you least expect it to. Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movies.
Our relationship has never been perfect and will never be perfect, but with you, I feel the happiest. I feel the safest because home is where you are.
I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise.
Sasama sila ng buong katapatan. Sa hirap, ginhawa, magsasama sila. Yun ang wish ko para sa kanilang dalawa.
Congratulations, anak. Basta ang pagsasama niya ni Jason, center niyo lang si God at magiging maayos ang inyong pagsasama.
From this day on, I will be everything that you need. I won't let.
Dati, kinakausap ko lang si Lord na ibigay niya sa akin ang tamang babae para sa akin. At ito na nga, tama nga talaga. Laging tama. Pero nang dahil sa'yo, natutunan kong mangarap, magsumikap, at maging responsibilidad. Hindi na ako ang taong happy-go-lucky na lang na mahilig sa go with the flow. Excited na akong bumuo ng pamilya at uuwi sa bahay at sasalubungin na maging anak na.
I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always. From this day on, I will be everything that you need. I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me. This love we got is deeper than oceans. My heart.
I promise to encourage you and support you in all that you do, even in difficult times, decision and path you take. I promise to never give up on you, and even though till death do us part. I love you so much, and forever will always be. Welcome to the Landicho family.
Always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
I'm not the easiest person to love, yet you choose to be with me even if I don't bring sunshine to you most of the times. I'm so grateful to be going where my heart feels the most alive. I love you so much, and from this day forward, I'm giving you my forever.
Hold me close, don't let me. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.